Hey, hi friends, and welcome again to my channel. So in this video we will create a one screen. As we already know about the buttons, edit text, text field, images, text, row, column. So these things we covered into the last videos, and who's not watch my videos, so kindly watch my previous video so that you can know and you can easily understand this video. So guys, let's start this video, and in this video we will create this screen, guys. So guys, before any demo, before any class, I already create a one screen so that we can take the reference of that screen and we can create the same exact screen for us. So guys, now in this video I'll create this screen and I'll teach you how we can create this screen. So guys, first of all, for this page we will create the separate page. As I created already login page, so I'll create my login page. This is page I have created, and first of all we have to import the package. So 1 second, I have not let's see, edit, rename, and dart extension is required. And here we have to import the material package. Import material, we have to write, everything will do works smoothly for us. Okay, so here I need to create stateful widget because here I'll require the input. So input is comes into the stateful widget because we are changing the state. And also in after of this video we will create the validation video for the same page. So there we require the stateful because we are working on the state, we are working on the immutable state. So my login page is I put the name, so same name I'm using here. And here I use the stateful scaffold, sorry, what I'm saying, scaffold. And I'm using as a f bar. An f bar I'll create the f bar and I'll press here title. So title as I'll pay my login page, my. So here we have to use a text. In a text we have to pass a string like my login page, and here we have to use this semicolon. Okay guys, and next is we have created the title. Next is we have to create the body for this page. So that should be not here exactly, we have to put outside the f bar. So body, and body we will take a one container because container is kind of a box, there we can put all the things. So container we are using here. In container as a child, I'll use a column. While I'm using the column, guys, because these things you can see, this is a full column. As a scale you can consider as a column. In column we has a view widgets, so that's why I'm using as a column. And in a column we have a children, so in a children I can place multiple widgets. Okay, so here I'm using children. And first step by step we will create. Okay, so here we can see this is a our image and the title. Okay, so this we can keep into the row because row we have a view into the horizontal. So in column I'm using row. In children, and then again I'm using children, and here I'm using image, wait, image dot assets, because we have to use the image from the assets, and we already having the image into the assets folder, that image. So here we have to right click and we have to copy the path here. So this is the absolute path. So this is I'm keeping assets image, and image we have a cat dot png. Okay guys, this is our path. And here we can set image height and width. Okay, so comma height, let's consider 100, and comma width, let's consider 100. Okay, control F and S, control S. Okay, and other thing is we have to let's take a screenshot. Okay guys, and we already take the screenshot. And one more thing, we have to call this class also. So let's go into the main class and call this. So we have to use this and control S. Okay, 1 minute second, we have to import the package too. Package is done, control S and O. So you can see the images also coming. And now we require the Flutter text as a text. So one child is completing to the row, other child we have to keep. So let's keep as text. Okay, and sorry, in text we have to put as Flutter. Okay, and we have to put as a style because we have to change the style. So here we have to use a text style. Okay, in text style we have to use a font size. So font size right now I'm using as a 30. Okay, and let's do it. Okay guys, other is we have to change the color. So let's change the color, and color, see, we can pick from colors dot blue. Okay, so this is blue color we are having, and this should be come into the center. So let's keep into the center. So for that we have to use a main axis alignment. So main and axis alignment dot center. Okay guys, so this is comes into the center. We can use as a what I say, bold, we can make it. So for to make the bold, which property we can use? So we can use hide, bold, foreground, background, shadow. Yeah, for font weight, font style. So font style dot okay, sorry guys, so here should be font weight, font weight, or here we use a bold. Okay guys, so this is bold now for us, but I guess we don't require bold because in previous one we don't have bold, so make it normal. Okay, next is our edit test. So for edit test, what we have to do guys, so row is completed. Now other child into the row will be our edit test. So text field we will use for edit text. Okay, and so guys, to create this input value, we are creating this here edit test. So edit test we can create by text field. So for this, first we have to start with a decoration. That will be our input decoration, because text field required basically edit test required input. So here we are using as a input decoration. Okay guys, and here we will use everything now. So as we required, we have to show the let me open that. Where is my screenshot? Yeah, here is it. So yep, so as you can see here, we have an email. Okay, into the box. So same thing we have to use. So create a box less border, and here we can use outline input border. Okay guys, and let's run it, how it's looking like. You can see how it's looking. And here we have to use the email as a text. So label, the other property of input decoration is a label, and here we are using email. Okay guys, and wait, email. Maybe we have to put into the text. Okay, and this, run it again. So this email is coming, and we have to as what I say, we have to make it as hint also, hint. So hint to text we can add. Okay, and so here also we have to use as a text, and here we can add as please enter email like abc@gmail.com. Okay guys, and let's okay guys, so here we added the hint. Okay, and the same we can copy here, and we can copy for we have to make it comma here, and here I can add the password. Okay, and please enter secure password. As a hint we can add secure password. Okay guys, and let's run. So save, we can make it save, and you can see there was a padding. Okay, so let's alt enter, and we can add padding. So padding we can add as a 20. Okay, and same, or instead of 20 we can add as 10. Okay, maybe 16 is fine. Okay, and same here padding we can add. So let's add the padding. Okay, make it as a 16 here, and save it again. So see guys how it's looking. I guess this is much, so we can make it as a 10, so that we can make it like a similar that we are having over there. Okay guys, and next let's take it look. So here I have a forget password. Okay, and then below is a login, should be a submit or login. Okay, so here I need to add is a, this is also clickable, so I'll use a text button here. So let's add here as a text button. Okay, and this is we can make as a lambda one, or child we can as a text. Okay guys, and in text we have to add as a forget password. Forget password, and we have to make it question because we are asking. Okay, let's run it. You can see, but we have to keep the blue color here. So we have to add a style here, style, text style. Okay, and we have to use as a color here, and colors we have to use a colors class dot blue. Okay guys, and let's save it. So this is fine. Now let's change the font size. So font size, let's make it as a 16. Okay guys, it's looking good. And let's move to the other widget. So other widget, that for this button. So let's create this button. So to create this button, what we have to do, so here we have to is a outline button. So outline button, in outline again we have to make it is a lambda function, and we have to make it a test. Okay, and text we have to use as a login. Okay, let's save it again. Okay, this is coming like this. Okay, and what we have to do, let's make the change the text color. The text color, so we have to add the style text color, or we have to use here colors class, colors dot and blue, and save it. Okay, this is looking good, I guess. And we can and what we can do, that background color will change later. Okay, other what we have here this new users or create account text also. Okay, so for this let's create the sized box. Okay, so here we have to use the sized box, and height we have to use as a 30, and let's run it. Okay, and now we will use the text button again. So let's copy this and paste it. And what is the text here? see again. So text is a new user create account. So make it new user create account, new user and create account. Okay guys, and make it is a gray color, gray. So see, this is coming here. Okay guys, and above we have some margin. Okay, so we have to edit margin above here too. So let's add the margin. It's a at the, okay, we can make it here. So we can add is padding. So padding we can add is 30, or here we can say as only, and we have to make it from top. So top one we can use, and here we can make it 30 and save it again. Okay, it's not coming here, sorry, gray is here, and let's keep from the row. Okay, and this, and make it as a 40. So instead of this we can make only from top. Okay guys, so this is looking good as of now. Make it 60. Okay, and keep this text as a bottom. So to keep this as a bottom we can make it here 60. Okay, so you can see here this is exactly same like this. And login button we can make it, can width. Okay, so what we have here, button style we have. So let's use a button style, button. Okay, so what we have to use here, style, then button style. And what we have in button style, that we have lots of text style button. Okay, and the maximum size, everything we have. Let's check this background color, and here we can use and the value of the background color is like, see, the material state property. So we have to use material state property all. Okay, and we have to pass here value. So colors dot gray, let's say how it's look. So see, this is looking like that. Okay, and here what property we have, more maximum size. Okay, so let's minimum size or maximum size or fixed size. So let's check the fixed size, and the value should be like material state property. So material state property all, and here I am passing the fixed sizes 40. Let's check what will happen. Okay, the fixed size should be state property, then size, I don't know why it's not working. So size. So guys, this is all about the screen. I have created the copy screen. Okay, in next screen we will check the validation over there, the user whatever the input they are pressing, this is coming exactly or not, or what is happening. Okay guys, and as you can see there is some issue here coming, so we can make it as a flexible, we can make this skin as a flexible or scrollable. So we can keep this into the 1 second, we can keep right now this is into the center and we can replace by single child scroll view. Okay, let's run it and see. Now the screen we can scroll. Right. So I hope you understand that all the things how we create the login screen. So if you like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, जिससे कि मैं आपके लिए और भी न्यू वीडियोस लेके आ सकूं आगे के लिए. So bye bye and next video मिलते हैं.